handing of a Securefast Outside Access Device SED990. Take the unit, take the washer, insert the washer, place the knob over and secure. Take the cylinder, insert the cylinder into the body, take the retaining screw, insert the retaining screw to secure the cylinder. The spindle, make sure that the arrow on the follower is either pointing to the L for the left or the right. In this case it's on the left. The actual thrower at the bottom is also on the left hand side, so when I turn the knob the spindle doesn't rotate. If I throw the thrower at the bottom by turning the key, then the spindle will rotate. To change the hands, take the thrower at the bottom over to the left hand side. Turn the knob, keeping pressure on the knob, turn the spindle round until the arrow is now pointing to the R. Let go of the knob, and as you take the thrower back over to the other side, when you rotate the knob, the spindle now rotates in the opposite direction.